How to make Discord name invisible. Hi, I'm Grace, and for today's video, I will show you how to make Discord name invisible. Before we get started, if you're new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe to be updated for our new releases. And without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Account. On Discord, go to Settings. Tap on Account, then tap Username. Step 2. Change username. From there, you will need two special characters, which are these two I'm typing. Simply copy what I typed, then tap Save when you're done. And that's it! That is how you make Discord name invisible. We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!